Good morning, dear students. Now we will start our new semester, that is semester 4th of our SYBSc. So, in our this semester, according to syllabus, the chapter first is electrochemistry. This is not two. The, this chapter is chapter 1. Okay. So, the chapter 1 is electrochemistry. Now we will start the chapter named electrochemistry. Okay. So, see, first we need to understand what is electrochemistry. What is electrochemistry? See, electrochemistry is the branch of chemistry. Electrochemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with conversion of electricity. Okay. What is electrochemistry? It is the branch of chemistry that deals with interconversion of electricity. And this electricity interconvert, how it interconvert? By flow of electron. Okay. So, interconversion of electricity in chemical reactions, that is called as electrochemistry. So, and the means, the chemical reaction that involve transfer of electrons is called as electrochemistry. Okay. So, what type of chemical reaction involve transfer of electron? That is reduction and oxidation. So, in oxidation and reduction reaction, there is a transfer of electron. Okay. And this transfer of electron interconvert what? Electricity. And this interconversion of electricity into the chemical reaction, that is reduction and oxidation chemical reaction, such interconversion of electricity is called as electrochemistry. So, the simple definition for electrochemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy or chemical energy into electrical energy. So, such conversion is called as electrochemistry. So, what is reduction and what is oxidation? We first learn what is reduction and what is oxidation. See this picture. So, loss of electrons are called as oxidation and gain of electron are called as reduction. Okay. So, see, these electrons are going from this side to this side, this end to this end. Okay. So, this one is losing electron, this hand is losing electron. So, that's why the process is oxidation and this hand is oxidized and this hand is oxidized. Same way, this hand are gaining electron. So, the hand is undergo into reduction reaction, and in that condition the hand is called as it is reduced. So, this hand is oxidized and this hand is reduced. Okay. So, this is the definition of oxidation or reduction. So, what is oxidation? Oxidation is a loss of electron. So, loss of electron is taking place on this hand, and reduction means gain of electron. So, this hand are gaining the electron. Okay. So, loss of electron is called as oxidation and gain of electron is called as reduction. So, loss of electron is occurred on this hand. So, this hand is oxidized and gain of electron is occurred on this hand. So, this hand is reduced. Okay. So, this is the concept of oxidation or reduction. Now, electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. What is electrochemical cell? So, a device which convert electrical energy into chemical energy is called as electrochemical cell. wait a minute. Now electrochemical cell. So electrochemical cell, a device which convert electrical energy into chemical energy, is called as electrochemical cell or voltaic cell or galvanic cell. So this is the electrochemical cell. See, this is the electrochemical cell. See here, there is a two electrode, copper electrode, and this one is a zinc electrode, and this copper electrode is dipped into copper solution and zinc electrode is dipped into zinc solution. Okay, see, this is a Cu plus 2 solution and this one is a Zn2 plus solution. So when this copper electrode and zinc electrode are connected to each other by this battery, okay, and both of these electrode are connected with this salt bridge. So this construction is nothing but it is a electrochemical cell. Okay, so this is the negative electrode and this is the positive electrode. So this electrode will lose electron are passing from this side to this side. So this electrode loses electron, so these electrodes are undergoing oxidation and this electron is loses from zinc and it is accepted by copper. So copper are gaining electron, so that's why copper are undergo into reduction reaction, means copper electrode is reduced here and zinc electrode is oxidized here. Okay, understood? So this is the electrochemical cell. Zinc is negative electrode, copper is positive electrode, zinc are losing electron, that's why the reaction is oxidation here. Copper is accepting the electron, so that's why the reaction is reduction here. Okay, so here zinc is oxidized here and copper is reduced here. Okay, so in this way there is a electron are passing from zinc electrode to copper electrode. So this is electrochemical cell. So in this electrochemical cell, the electrical energy are the chemical energy are converted into electrical energy. This zinc electrode and copper electrode, their electron are passing from this side to this side. So in this way there is conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy, and such a cell is called as a electrochemical cell. Now come to another, electrolytic cell. There are two types of cell, electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. So what is electrolytic cell? So electrolytic cell is a device which convert electrical energy into chemical energy, is called as electrolytic cell. So electrolytic cell is constructed like this. This is electrolytic cell. See, this is copper electrode and this one is the zinc electrode. Zinc are dipped into ZnSO4 solution and copper is dipped into CuSO4 solution. Okay, and they both of this solution is interconnected with the salt bridge. Now see, zinc are undergoing oxidation here and copper is undergoing reduction here. So whatever the salt solution are there, this salt solution get deposited on this zinc plate, and here copper solution deposited on copper plate. So in this way, due to electrical energy, there is a separation of a zinc solution and zinc metal and copper metal. So this is called as electrolytic cell. In the electrolytic cell, there is a conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy. Why chemical energy? Because there is a deposition of copper on this copper plate and zinc on zinc plate. So due to electrical energy, there is a formation of chemicals That's why electrolytic cell are useful for conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy. So this is two types of cell, electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. Now next term used in electrochemistry. So first is cell. What is cell? So cell is a device or an arrangement which convert chemical energy into electrical energy or electrical energy into chemical energy is called as a cell. What is cell? A device or an arrangement which convert chemical energy into electrical energy or electrical energy into chemical energy is called as cell. What is cell? Cell is a device which convert chemical energy into electrical energy or electrical energy into chemical energy. Then battery. So what is battery? It is a combination of two or more cell arranged in series or parallel. Example, in 6-volt lead storage battery in which there is a combination of 3-volt cell connected in series. What is battery? Battery is a combination of two or more cell arranged in series. So see, these are the cells. These are cells. So when these cells are connected in combination, that is in parallel arrangement or in series arrangement. This is a parallel arrangement and this is a series arrangement. So when this small cell combine in series or in parallel way, then this is called as batteries. Now cell reaction. What is cell reaction? So cell is formed by combination of two electrodes. You know, we have seen that cell is formed by combination of two electrodes. So each electrode is half cell or single electrode and the reaction takes place on half cell is called as half cell reaction. The sum of half cell reaction taking place on each electrode is called as net cell reaction. So the sum of half, so here first we will see what is a half cell reaction. So as cell is formed by combination of two electrode, each electrode is half cell or single electrode and the reaction takes place on a half cell is called as half cell reaction. Okay, so sum of half cell reaction taking place on each electrode is called as a net cell reaction. So see, single electrode reaction is called as a half cell reaction. So each the sum of half cell reaction is called as a net cell reaction. Now on one electrode oxidation takes place and on another electrode reduction takes place. Okay, so the electrode on which oxidation takes place has a negative potential and the electrode on which reduction takes place has a positive potential. Okay, so again we will see this definition. As a cell is formed by a combination of two electrode, each electrode is half cell or single electrode and the reaction takes place on half cell is called as a half cell reaction. Okay, so the sum of the two half cell reaction taking place on each electrode is called as net cell reaction. Okay, the addition of two half cell reaction is called as a net cell reaction. So each oxidation and each reduction is considered as a half cell reaction. Okay, so the electrode on which oxidation takes place is called as a negative potential and the electrode on which reduction takes place has a positive potential. So this is called as a cell reaction. So these are the small terms. These are the small terms which we are need to understand in introduction of electrochemistry chapter. Then reversible reaction. A cell which satisfies the condition of thermodynamic reversibility is known as reversible cell. A cell which satisfies the condition of thermodynamic reversibility is known as reversible cell. So there are a condition of reversible cell. What is the condition for reversible cell? That they should have different driving and opposing forces. Okay, driving and opposing force should not be equal. For a reverse reaction, the driving and opposing force should be different. Means the driving force should be greater than the opposing force. Then in that condition the reaction will be reverse. There should be possible to reverse the reaction by applying slightly greater force than acting force. Okay, so see, Daniell cell satisfy all the condition. So Daniell cell is a reversible cell. So this is the representation for Daniell cell. ZnSO4 A is equal to 1 and CuSO4 A is equal to 1. A means what is A? A is a concentration. A is equal to 1. What is A? A is a activity, and activity is nothing but it is the concentration. So this is the zinc half cell and this is the copper half cell. Okay, so this is copper electrode and this one is a zinc electrode. So copper is a positive electrode and zinc is a negative electrode. Now irreversible cell. What is irreversible cell? A cell which do not satisfy the reversibility condition is known as irreversible cell. So the cell which do not satisfy the reversibility condition is known as irreversible cell. Okay, so these are the very small terms which useful to learn in clearing the basic concept of electrochemistry. So please revise what is electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is the interconversion of electricity. Okay, and this interconversion of electricity is occur due to flow of electrons. Okay, so conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy and chemical energy into electrical energy, such conversion is called as the study of electrochemistry. What is oxidation and what is reduction? See, this hand are losing electron, that's why it is called as oxidation process, and this hand is undergoing into oxidize. This hand are gaining electron. So that's why the electron are gaining, and that's why this hand is undergoing reduction reaction and this hand is undergo reduced. Electrochemical cell. So electrochemical cell which convert electrical energy into chemical energy is called as a electrochemical cell. So voltaic cell or galvanic cell is called as a electrochemical cell. So hope you have understood these all terms. In next lecture we will clear our next topic.